Welcome to Camp Navarro. So you're the replacement. What's your name, Private? What was that? Did you forget something, maggot? I am not a sir! I work for a living, you moron! You will call me Sergeant or Sergeant Dornan. Do you understand me? If I like you, you can call me Sarge. But guess what? I don't like you! Do you understand? Outstanding. Proceed on the double to the hangar, where you will stand guard duty. You will do a fine job. Do you understand? You moron! You are not to question my orders. When I say jump, you jump. When I say fight, you fight. When I tell you to die for your country, then you will certainly die.